Are you struggling with declining vision as you age? What if 4 simple cooked vegetables, likely already in your kitchen, could help restore your eyesight naturally? If you're having trouble reading restaurant menus in dim light, avoiding night, driving because of glare, or holding books at arm's length just to see the words, your eyes are sending you a message. They desperately need specific nutrients to repair themselves, and most people never learn what these nutrients are or how to deliver them effectively. These 4 humble vegetables aren't just healthy foods, they're precision medicine for your aging eyes, containing compounds that your retina, macula, and optic nerve need to function optimally. When prepared correctly and eaten at the right time of day, they can deliver healing nutrients directly to your eyes during the crucial overnight repair period. Hit like if vision problems affect your daily life, subscribe for more health tips, and tell us your age in the comments. Why your vision declines. Every day after 60, your eyes face mounting challenges that gradually steal your precious sight. Your eyes work constantly from morning until night, processing millions of visual signals, filtering harmful light, and maintaining the delicate balance of fluids and tissues that create clear vision. After decades of this relentless work, combined with exposure to computer screens, sunlight, pollution, and natural oxidative stress, your eyes begin showing wear and tear. The retina becomes thinner, the macula may develop harmful deposits, tear production decreases, and the tiny blood vessels nourishing your eyes can become damaged or blocked. This isn't just normal aging that you have to accept, it's your body crying out for specific nutrients to fuel the repair processes. The key lies in understanding that your eyes are living, breathing organs that continue regenerating throughout your entire life, even into your 80s and 90s. What most people don't realize is that much of this damage can be slowed, stopped, or even partially reversed through targeted nutrition that provides exactly what your eyes need to heal themselves. The science behind vegetable-based eye repair, the secret to protecting and repairing your eyes, lies in powerful antioxidants and specific nutrients that neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support healthy tissue regeneration. Your eyes contain specialized cells called photoreceptors that convert light into electrical signals your brain interprets as images. These incredibly hardworking cells are vulnerable to damage from unstable molecules called free radicals, created by normal metabolism, sun exposure, and environmental toxins. Over time, this damage accumulates in your retina, leading to inflammation, cellular breakdown, and gradual loss of visual function, characteristic of macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma. Your eyes need very specific compounds called carotenoids, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, which naturally accumulate in the macula and retina where they act like internal sunglasses. These carotenoids filter harmful blue light and protect delicate tissues from oxidative damage, but they can only come from your diet. The timing of when you eat these vegetables is crucial because your body's repair processes are most active during sleep, when growth hormone peaks and cellular maintenance systems work overtime to fix accumulated damage. Vegetable 1. Carrots. The night vision powerhouse carrots have earned their legendary reputation for supporting eye health, especially for seniors dealing with frustrating night vision problems that make driving after sunset dangerous and navigating dimly lit spaces. The vibrant orange color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful carotenoid your body converts into vitamin A, one of the most critical nutrients for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A plays an essential role in producing rhodopsin, a light-sensitive protein in your retina's rod cells that enables you to see in low-light conditions. Without adequate vitamin A, your body simply cannot produce enough rhodopsin, leading to night blindness where you struggle to see clearly in dim light or have difficulty adapting when moving from bright to dark environments. The beta-carotene in carrots provides a safe, natural source of vitamin A, without toxicity risks associated with synthetic supplements. When you consume beta-carotene from whole foods, your body converts only what it needs into active vitamin A. The key to unlocking carrots' full potential lies in proper preparation. Cooking breaks down tough cellular walls that trap nutrients, making beta-carotene up to 5 times more absorbable than raw carrots. Combining cooked carrots with healthy fats like olive oil dramatically increases absorption, since beta-carotene is fat-soluble and requires dietary fat to enter your bloodstream and reach your eyes. Vegetable 2. Broccoli, inflammation fighter. While carrots excel at supporting night vision, broccoli serves as a powerful protector against chronic inflammation that silently damages aging eyes from within. Inflammation is one of the most destructive forces affecting vision as we age, yet it often goes unnoticed because it doesn't cause immediate pain or obvious symptoms. This low-grade, persistent inflammation gradually damages tiny blood vessels, nourishing your retina, weakens delicate macular tissues, and disrupts normal nutrient and oxygen flow your eyes need to function properly. Over time, inflammatory damage contributes to serious conditions like macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and glaucoma that can permanently rob you of sight. Broccoli's remarkable anti-inflammatory power comes from its rich concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids your body preferentially deposits in the macula for sharp, detailed vision. These compounds function like natural anti-inflammatory agents specifically designed for your eyes, filtering harmful blue light from screens and sunlight, while neutralizing free radicals before they damage cellular structures. Beyond these vision-specific carotenoids, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound that activates your body's own natural antioxidant defense systems. Sulforaphane switches on genes that boost your cells' ability to protect and repair themselves from within, providing lasting defense against oxidative stress threatening your vision. Vegetable 3. Kale, the macular degeneration. Shield among all vegetables supporting eye health, kale stands as perhaps the most potent protector against age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in people over 60. Macular degeneration isn't just blurry vision. It's a progressive breakdown of the macula affecting your ability to perform detailed visual tasks that make life enjoyable and independent. When the macula deteriorates, reading becomes exhausting, faces lose clarity, colors fade, and simple tasks like pouring water or writing notes become exercises in guesswork and frustration. What makes this condition particularly heartbreaking is its slow, painless progression. So by the time people notice significant vision loss, substantial damage has already occurred. Kale's extraordinary power against macular degeneration comes from its incredibly high concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin, containing even more of these vision-protecting carotenoids than broccoli. These pigments naturally accumulate in your macula, performing the critical function of filtering high-energy blue light and absorbing excess light energy that could otherwise damage delicate photoreceptor cells. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as your eye's built-in sunglasses and antioxidant system combined into one powerful protective mechanism. Your body cannot manufacture these compounds, so they must come entirely from your diet, making regular kale consumption incredibly important for long-term eye health. Studies following thousands of people for decades consistently show those with highest lutein and zeaxanthin intake have up to 43% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. Vegetable 4, zucchini, the gentle eye hydrator, while kale and broccoli provide powerful antioxidant protection and carrots support night vision. Zucchini offers something equally important but often overlooked: deep cellular hydration and gentle support for aging eye structure. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose their ability to maintain optimal hydration levels, particularly affecting delicate eye tissues. The tear film keeping your eyes moist and comfortable becomes less stable. Vitreous fluid inside your eyes becomes more viscous, and tissues of your retina, optic nerve, and macula become more vulnerable to pressure and oxidative damage. This is why so many seniors struggle with dry, gritty, uncomfortable eyes that feel tired and strained, especially by evening. Zucchini's remarkable ability to support eye health comes from its incredibly high water content, over 95%, making it one of nature's most effective hydrating foods. This natural hydration helps maintain tear film stability, creating a smooth optical surface that allows light to enter your eyes evenly for sharper, clearer vision. Beyond hydration, zucchini provides gentle but important nutritional support through vitamin C, crucial for maintaining collagen structure in your cornea and sclera. Collagen gives your eyes their shape and strength, and as production naturally decreases with age, maintaining adequate vitamin C becomes increasingly important for preserving structural integrity. The beauty of zucchini lies in its incredible digestibility and versatility, making it perfect for seniors who may struggle with appetite, chewing difficulties, or sensitive digestion. The power of 4 common vegetables. 4 everyday vegetables found in any grocery store can help protect your eyes as you age. Carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini. These aren't expensive superfoods or hard-to-find ingredients. They're simple vegetables that have been helping people stay healthy for generations. Carrots provide vitamin A, which is essential for good night vision and keeping your retina healthy. Broccoli contains powerful compounds that fight inflammation in your eyes and protect against damage from daily stress. Kale is packed with special nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes, protecting against harmful light. Zucchini provides vitamin C and helps keep your eyes properly hydrated, which is crucial for comfortable vision. Why eating them together works better? When you eat all 4 vegetables together, they create a powerful team that works much better than eating them separately. The different nutrients help each other get absorbed better in your body, giving you maximum benefit from every bite. The various protective compounds enhance each other's effectiveness, creating a complete shield for your eyes against age-related problems. This combination addresses every major aspect of eye health, from basic nutrition to advanced protection against serious diseases. Instead of getting partial help from one vegetable, you get comprehensive eye care from this simple 4-vegetable combination. Think of it like having a complete toolkit instead of just one tool. Each vegetable handles different eye problems, but together they cover everything your eyes need to stay healthy. Simple recipe for eye health. Making this eye-healing meal is surprisingly easy and takes less than 15 minutes. Start by heating a little olive oil in a large pan. The oil is important because it helps your body absorb the eye-protecting nutrients better. Add diced zucchini first and cook until it becomes soft. Then add chopped carrots and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Next, add broccoli florets and chopped kale along with a splash of water. Then cover the pan and let everything steam until the vegetables are tender but still bright in color. You can eat this mixture as a side dish with your dinner. Blend it into a smooth soup or mix it with rice or pasta for a complete meal. The key is to eat this combination 3 to 4 times per week consistently to give your eyes the ongoing support they need. Why evening time matters. The timing of when you eat these vegetables makes a huge difference in how well they work for your eyes. Your body follows natural daily rhythms, and your eyes do their most important healing work at night while you sleep. During the day, your eyes are constantly working hard, processing light, focusing on different objects, and defending against damage from daily activities. Only at night can your eyes shift into repair mode when special healing processes become most active, and growth hormones help rebuild damaged tissue. By eating your eye-healing vegetables in the evening, preferably with dinner, you ensure these powerful nutrients are available exactly when your eyes need them most. This timing also works well with your body's natural digestion patterns, helping you absorb more nutrients from every meal. Understanding realistic expectations helps you stay motivated and consistent with eating these healing vegetables. These foods work best as prevention medicine, helping slow down or stop age-related eye problems before they become serious, rather than reversing damage that has already occurred. In the first few weeks of eating this vegetable combination regularly, many people notice their eyes feel less tired and strained, especially after long days of reading or computer work. After a few months of consistent eating, you might start noticing improvements in night vision or overall visual clarity as your eyes rebuild healthier tissue. The most important benefits happen over years. These vegetables help prevent serious eye diseases like macular degeneration that could steal your vision as you get older. Remember that the biggest benefit might be the serious problems you avoid, rather than dramatic changes you notice day to day. Making this eye health routine work long-term requires practical strategies that fit into your real life and budget. Both fresh and frozen vegetables work equally well. Frozen options are often just as nutritious and give you the convenience of always having these healing foods available. You can save time by cooking larger batches of the vegetable mixture and storing portions in your refrigerator for easy reheating throughout the week. Try different variations to prevent boredom. Add the mixture to omelets, blend into soups, or serve over grains while keeping the core 4 vegetables as your foundation. The small cost of these vegetables each week is one of the best investments you can make in your future, especially when you consider the high costs and limitations that come with serious vision problems. Starting with whichever vegetable you already like best makes it easier to gradually add the others and build this healthy habit into your routine.